So I'll quickly show you how to set up the entire application so that you can test it on your mobile device, on your iPhone, right? So first of all, go to the browser and go to GitHub, right? So I've sent you an invite to the private repository. Just click on this inbox button and you'll see the notifications for me inviting you. Just accept that and go to the repository link. Okay, so now that you are at the repository link, what you can do is you can clone the repository or download it as a zip and extract it. So let's just clone it. If this doesn't work for you for some reason, there's no reason why it shouldn't, but if it doesn't, just download the zip, extract it, and then just follow along. So but what you can do is just make sure it's on HTTPS and copy the link. Go back to your terminal. If you're on macOS, just search console or terminal and open it up, and then you can just move to a specific directory. So what you can do is just press ls, and then I'm going to move into the documents folder, right? So just type in the file names that show up when you type in ls, and then just navigate. You can keep on doing this and go to the right directory where you want to save this project or make a copy, right? So what we'll do is we'll clone the repository. So we'll say git clone, and then just paste in the link, Control Shift W, Control Shift V, and first of all, I think you need Node.js. Yes, you need Node.js. So what you can just do is, if you don't have Node.js, just go to Node.js download. Just click on the first link and download the latest LTS version for whatever you use. I assume you use macOS, right? So after you downloaded it and installed it, then you can proceed with this. So just clone this and press enter. Then you'll see it starting to clone the repository. So now what you should do is after it cloned, now you should navigate to the folder. So we'll type in ls to list all the directories, and we'll go to cd to change directory to GPT for, no, not this, to GPT powered. So you can just type in GPT-power like this and press tab, then it will auto-complete it. Press enter. Wait. So I think the directory name is incorrect. So we'll go to the document folder, programming. Let's say rename, copy the name, and now we'll say cd. So now we're in the directory. So now all you can do, you should go to the front end directory and then type in npm install. This will install all the packages, right? So don't worry about these warnings, it doesn't really matter. Just wait until it's done. So when it's done, just clear the console by typing clear and press enter. Then what you can do is type in npm start. This will start up the application in Expo. So wait, I made a mistake. First of all, you need to open up Visual Studio Code. So I assume you already know how to use like a basic code editor, like a text, like an IDE, but I just use them. So what you need to do is you need to make a new file called .env. So we'll create one using, you can use Visual Studio Code for this, but I'll just use the way I do it. So album.env. So then you can see here is like the OpenAI key and the publishable key. So what you can do is you can simply type in expo public clerk, oh wait, we'll just type in expo public for now, and then you need to go to your browser, type in clerk.com. This is used for like the user authentication, login, sign up things, right? So just say start building for free, and you need to create a new project. Yes, I can give you access to like this GPT fitness nutrition app, but there's no users on it, so you can just create it for yourself. So just press add application, then just make sure email, just keep it on default, right? And then press continue. I think I cannot see entirely, or you need to give a name, so let's call it test app. Just call it whatever you like, and then press continue. Continue. So now the application is created. So now we just need to copy the environmental variable. So just press here on the Expo version, press this copy button, go back to your code editor, just use Visual Studio Code and paste it in. Right, so I'll just leave this on for now. And you must do the same for like the API key. So just type in expo underscore public API key, and remember that this must be capital letters, right? So when you're done, just save it and you use Visual Studio Code. So now you can just run the application again. npm start. So you need to download an application on your iPhone. I assume you use iOS for your mobile device. Just download an application called Expo and just follow this. Scan the QR code above with the Expo Go app on Android. So this is what I do, but for you, you must use like just the default camera app on your iPhone and scan this QR code. So I'll just do this. I'll stop recording the face now and do this, and I'll show you how to run the application. Okay, so what you need to do is, so for you, just go on your camera app. I know you use iOS, so just on your iPhone, go to the camera app and just scan this, right? So your iPhone will automatically open the app called Expo Go. So first of all, you need to download the app Expo Go on the App Store and then scan this QR code. It will automatically open up the Expo application. But for me, I use Android, so I need to open up the application manually. So go to Expo Go for me, and remember, the application will work for you on iOS because we're using React Native. It's compatible for iOS and Android, and we're using Expo to help with that as well. So what we'll do is press scan on QR. What I'll do is just scan the QR code, and then you'll see the application launches. And yeah, I'm not going to test the entire application. You can see it's bundling. So this is just to set up the application. Tell me if you run into any like specific problems. I will help you with anything that you struggle with. Peace.